I know. Hi, puppy. Hello.
I'm Sonic.
Hey. Let's have a look, Layla. Show us your nails. Ooh, so pretty. They look so good. Go, Jeannie! Woohoo! What are you doing, Eloise? Oh, cool. It's a video. I'm videoing you videoing. Hey, Mordecai. What?
There's also a gigantic elevator.
Oh my gosh. You're getting your nails done. Wow, they're so pretty. On video as well.
Your video?
Yeah, Moses asked me to. Junie, are you gonna get your nails done?
Yeah.
Is Layla gonna paint them? Do you want me to paint them? Yeah? Whoa!
That's my dog. Yeah. Could you tell me where your car is?
Is she allowed to be? Thank you.
Give me a charge.
Junie, do you want to do that before we go home? Yeah, okay.
I'll quickly paint.
On camera. That's right, people. Bring your stuff day. We got makeup thing going on. Miss Jackson, Miss Kardashian right here. We don't know who this one is. Who cares about this one? But we are Kardashian and then Miss Jackson right here. Nice and cool. Look at how everybody's calm. Have you set it up yet? I'm gonna come play with you shortly. Should I show you how it's done? All right, first and foremost, you take these out, leave it on this side. They're castles, go at the end like this, yeah? Castles at the end. Now it's like a story, yeah? No. This one is black. That's, see the difference? I know they look quite alike, but it's very different. Silver, black. So castles at the end. Castles are ruled by the knights. They're protected by the knights. And then the knights are governed by the bishop. Where's the other bishop? There we go. And then they report to the king and queen. See? And then you have the pawns. There we go. And then put some of the black ones here. There we go. 1 and 2. All right. Boom, boom, boom. Whoa, king is dead. See? Just look at my one, and then you can do the same. Where's the dog? What did you do to the pooch? Would you like to get your nails done? Check it out. Look at that. Oh my God. Are you going to carry your hand like that for the rest of the day? Yeah. What do you, oh my God, what is that?
It's a funny.
Can you write it?
Yeah.
Oh. Can we see? Yeah, okay. That's weird. Don't break it. How are we doing here, boys? Oh my goodness, what's going on here? Yeah. What is that?
Hello.
Oh my, I heard that. Are we still alive? Alive? Is that a game? Let me see that. Oh, that's cool.
I want to come with you.
Sure. Well, I'm actually cooking some goat meat. Yeah, you want to come check it out? So, any chess player who wants to play with this young man is looking for a partner. Can you play here? Right. Oh, right. So then one of the knights goes on the other side. Yeah? Well, that is how you do it. You move this one. No. That one goes there, like that. And then this one here. And then the queen. That's perfect. There it is. You're set. It's my turn. I'll be there in a minute. Let me finish cooking this beautiful goat's meat. Check it out. Oh, yeah. Feel that steam. Feel it. Yeah. What? What are you laughing at? She's just jealous. Jealousy. I'll be there in a minute, I promise.